Peanut. Say hi, Daddy. I'm eating some carrots. I had a decent day. Grammy said I napped. I was getting a little antsy. We got home a little late, so I was afraid Mommy wasn't going to remember my carrots. But here they are. There's carrots. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Oh, hi, Daddy. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Can you wave to Daddy? Yeah. See, Mommy's just there with those carrots. And I want them. I want them in my belly. I want carrots in my belly. So, we hope you had a good day. We love you and we miss you. I'm looking at your CD collection. It's pretty awesome. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye, I love you.